Greetings everyone, this is Teacher Jello. It's been a while since my last programming blog. Today I'm going to feature software deployment of Java programs for Swing GUI and console-based application. So let us visit my sample programs to start the deployment tutorial. So this is my Java program, and with this program it will just provide you a simple text message with the implementation of a constructor of a Java program. So to begin with the deployment, just right click on the program and choose export. And from list, look for Java and then choose runnable jar file. Next is to look for launch configuration and look for the same name of your Java program class. Okay, so the Java class should be the same name with your launch configuration. Now click OK. Once you're done, don't worry about the details. Now next, let's check the folder, and it should have the person app jar. It won't run even if you try to double click on it. So next is we're going to use command prompt. Okay, so using the command prompt, let's try to type cd documents slash and the name of the folder. Okay, 2021. Now next, I want you to follow the instruction, okay, for running this Java jar. So let's write Java minus jar space the file name dot jar. In that correct order, that's it, okay? So now we have the same text message showing up on our Eclipse IDE. On to the next part of this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate to you how you could do the same deployment on Java Swing applications. For this Java application, you should be able to see this kind of floating window, right? Next is that I'll do the same steps, okay? So this, look for Java, runnable jar file, click next, and look for book borrowing system. It should be the same name as the class, the Java class that we did a while ago. Okay. Once everything is okay, just click OK. Okay. Next is we try to check the folder, and there you have it. It's already in our folder. So I'm going to use the same CMD to run this application. Let me try to erase the word person and replace it with borrow book app. There you have it. That's how you deploy Java programs on Eclipse IDE. Please like and subscribe after watching this video. Have a nice day.